Ever sent an Ethereum transaction on Coinbase and regretted it instantly? Don't panic, because today, we're diving into whether you can actually cancel a pending ETH transaction. First things first, understand that once a transaction is broadcast to the Ethereum network, complete cancellation is usually impossible. Cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized blockchain, meaning transactions are irreversible, but there are a couple of things you can try. Your best bet is to attempt to speed up the transaction. Head over to the pending transaction details within Coinbase. Sometimes Coinbase offers a speed up option that will essentially rebroadcast the transaction with a higher gas fee. If the speed up option is unavailable, you're out of luck. Within Coinbase itself, the transaction will either confirm or eventually time out and be returned to you, which can take several hours or even days, depending on network congestion. Now, it is important to understand that if the transaction does go through, you are no longer able to cancel the transaction due to the nature of blockchain. All transactions are final. While not always a guaranteed fix, understanding these options empowers you to manage your Ethereum transactions on Coinbase as best as possible. And remember, always double-check transaction details before sending to avoid future regrets.